Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you ever need to undo changes or restore an older version of your website, Webflow backups makes it super easy. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go over how to actually backup and restore a Webflow site in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and look for Webflow in your favorite browser. Then tap on webflow.com. Go all the way, log in using your email address and password. It's time now to access the project settings. So we tap on this Webflow logo here, then go to site settings. So we're gonna wait till it fully loads. Then you will be able to see basically general options here. We have multiple options, custom code, publish site with a password, share with workspace, and every other detail. We also have the site activity. We can also share, we can duplicate, archive, transfer, and all of this. We have this site access, then we have this publish button. For example, we're gonna go all the way to this publish button. We have this production, 301 site, we have this security. We have basically the backups option. That's the option we are looking for. So if you want basically to restore an older version, just tap on restore. It's on automatic backup. That's what we basically are looking for. So go ahead and select a backup version, choose the version you want to restore, then restore the backup by tapping on restore like I showed you here, restore. You can also preview if you want to. So when you are fully done, go ahead and tap on publish again to publish your restored website. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.